Hi guys, let's make these bakery style challah burger buns. They are soft, moist and very fluffy. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 110-gram packets of instant dry yeast, 150 ml of warm water, a quarter cup of sugar, a quarter cup of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 eggs. We will use 2 eggs and 1 yolk for the dough and 1 egg white for the egg wash, and then 3.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Let's make the dough. To a bowl, add the yeast, sugar and warm water. Whisk until the yeast and sugar dissolve. If you're using active dry yeast, give it 5 to 10 minutes to bloom. Since I'm using instant dry yeast, I'll go ahead and add the other ingredients. Add the oil and eggs and whisk. Then add the salt and whisk until all the ingredients are well combined. Set the whisk aside and grab a spatula. Add the all-purpose flour a little at a time as you mix. Mix until the dough gets shaggy. Dust the surface with flour and transfer the dough to the work surface. Knead the dough for 5 to 7 minutes until the gluten is fully activated. Scrape the work surface and add flour as needed as you knead the dough. To know if the dough is fully kneaded, poke the dough. It should bounce back when pressed, hold its shape, look smooth and slightly tacky when touched. The dough is now fully kneaded. Grease the mixing bowl and dough with some vegetable oil. Cover with a kitchen cloth for 1 to 1.5 hours to proof. Once the dough has doubled in size, punch it to remove any excess air. Transfer the dough to the work surface. Divide the dough into 8 to 10 portions depending on the size you want your burger buns to be. To form the buns, tuck the dough at the bottom to form a ball, then roll it on the surface for the shape of the ball to hold. Here is a close-up of what I'm saying. Do that until all the buns are formed. Line a large baking tray with baking paper and place the buns on the tray. I can only fit 6 buns in this tray. Do not overpack the buns. Leave space between them to ensure that they do not touch each other when they are baking. Cover for 45 minutes for the second proof. Once the buns are puffed up, apply the egg wash. This will give the buns that glossy and golden brown finish. You can bake the buns like that or top them up with some sesame or poppy seed. This part is optional. I'll be using these white and black sesame seeds. Sprinkle them on top until you're satisfied with how the buns look. Now they are ready to bake. Preheat the oven for 10 minutes before baking, then bake the buns at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes until they are golden brown. 30 minutes later, we are done baking. Look at these buns. They are perfectly brown and look amazing. Let the buns sit for 5 minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool. Let the buns cool completely before cutting them. Now that the buns are fully cooled, let's cut them. The challah buns are very soft, fluffy and moist. They are so much better, healthier and cheaper than the store-bought options. I used these buns to make these juicy smash burgers. Watch that recipe here. Thank you for watching. Give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you on the next one. Bye.